Hey, this is Danny with Colorado Guitars again. I've built this 3 string cigar box guitar. This one is not going to be for sale. I'm going to give it away. Um, you can see I'm trying to get something glued down there that did not glue as well as I wanted to the first time, but I still like it so much. I want to play it. I need to trim up some of this, clean up some here, this, that, and the other. But I think it sounds really good. I'm going to turn on the amp for this one even. So is it on? It is on. Woohoo! So, and I'll play. I'm going to play with the pick, which I usually don't play with, but we'll give it a go and see how it goes. So, maybe just a little bit more. You know, there's people out there who really know what they're doing. Anyway, I don't know if it picks up. Anyway, we'll try a song. Here we go. Anyway, let's see the jar. I like it. Like I said, I think it sounds good. We'll try. I was going to go Twinkle Twinkle, but maybe we should go with Swing Low. I haven't played this in a long time. We'll play a little bit of this, okay? Yeah, clean up some of the holes here a little bit. I do love it though. How about some should be coming around the mountain? One more little song here, then I'm gonna quit for this. I may play it some more when I get cleaned up a little bit, but I hope to give this away next weekend playing bingo. So. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Anyway, that's kind of how it sounds, you know, with a, turn that off and just hear. Anyway, I'm not used to playing with the pick, so that may be part of what's going on here. Anyway, hope you like it. I like it. I will post this, and like I said, I'll try to play it again at least once more before I give it away. Love it.